Hey everybody, I'm back at it again. So I got a 1995 Honda Accord that brake lights are always on. So you can see over here that it looks like the bushing on the pedal fell apart because it's all hard plastic and oxidates over time and all that. So I gotta go in underneath the pedal and replace it. So I'm gonna show you exactly where I need to go underneath. Just be patient with me. So I did a flip all the way underneath, and then let's see if this is a good angle over here. So this is I am underneath my Accord, so let me see if I can get a good angle here and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So let's see, this is the brake. This is part of the brake pedal assembly. What you see is moving over here. It's just like one big lever, and then right there where the black part is, that's where the brake pedal switch is at. So all I need is to put this little this little plastic piece. See if I can, this little plastic piece that I got from my cardboard container, and stick it inside the hole. I think with the flat part facing the button, and then should be good. So let's try that out. So after a little bit of trial and error, I was able to get the new bushing in there. See, so now every time the brake pedal is in its normal position, the brake light switch is being pressed against, so that the brake lights will not be on while I'm not braking. So I did this without any tools or anything. I didn't use a screwdriver. What I did was I just got under here, put my elbow all the way down on the pedal with my one arm, and then with my left hand I slid that bushing up in there, and then just let the brake pedal go, and it clicked, everything's in there. And so let's check it out. Let's go make sure my brake lights aren't always on anymore. I'm gonna go plug them back in. So if you don't already know, this is how you disconnect the brake lights from the battery. And what you do is you go to the left side. You go to the left side of your vehicle on the rear end. You take out the shield over here, right? It's supposed to fit in like this with the latch and everything. And then so you can take that out, take the bulb out, and then you disconnect at this end from this little socket right here. And what it does, that disconnects both of your brake lights from power. So I'm gonna plug it back in here, and then if everything's working good, shouldn't have any more issues with the brake lights always being on. So let's try this out real quick. And looking good so far, looking good. So this advice helped you out at all? Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you